If you've been watching my channel, you've seen that I've made 3 cherry cups, all from the same piece of wood, to compare what each finish looked like and how easy it was. The first one I did is this one. This is cherry. All of them are cherry. This is with candle, just an old candle wax. I put it on and then buffed it off on the lathe. Very satiny but very smooth finish. Really brings out the grain of the wood. And I did put some extra burn on the top and bottom, which I really like that. The next one is a super glue finish. This one's much more shiny, very smooth. I really like this, and it does add some durability to the cup. The shiny, I'm not sure it brings out the grain. I mean, you can still see the grain really good. Might hide it a little bit, doesn't feel like wood, but who doesn't like shiny, am I right? Okay, fourth one. Now this one broke, but I went ahead and finished it. So what I did with this, I sprayed it with polyurethane. Now all of these, there's no additional treatment other than sanding. So I sanded them down, put super glue on this one, candle wax on this one, polyurethane on this one. And then when I did do the super glue and the polyurethane, I did go back with my abrasive paste and polish them. So this one's kind of in between the two. I didn't use a super glossy polyurethane, so it's more of a satiny, but once I was done, I just sprayed it. I did have to spray it about 6 or 7 times and then buffed it by hand because I couldn't put it back in the lathe. This one was difficult to get it smooth, and you can see some lines in it where applying the super glue, I'm still working on my application skills. So applying it and then sanding it, smoothing it is really tricky with a shiny super glue finish. This one, absolute piece of cake. Definitely the easiest method, and it waxed it, it protected it, and I actually like this one the best. Cost nothing. Who doesn't have old candles sitting around and a rag? So all I did is it was spinning, rubbed the candle on it, wiped it, and it warms up and spreads it out. I really like this for this application. There are some where if you're making a pen or something, you'd really want the super glue. If you want it really shiny, that's definitely the way to go. If you want it quick, polyurethane. But for me, for something like this, you can't beat a cheap candle wax. All right, thanks for watching. You can see all these videos on my channel.